So we are on chapter number 14, wrapping it up. That's all you have. That's it. You have completed lesson 2. You can check out the demo to the right to see it in action. Go ahead. I know you can't wait until the bottom of this page. Click kitty to attack and see the new kitty zombie you get. Let's see. Okay, combination. Okay, looks good. Now, see the JavaScript implementation. Once we are done to deploy this contract to Ethereum, we'll just compile and deploy it and deploy zombie feeding, since the contract is our final contract that inherits from zombie factory and has access all the public methods in both contracts. Let's look at an example interacting with our deploy contract using JavaScript and web3.js. Here's the code how we can uh, call this function from the front end. Here we are getting with the contract. Our contract address will be here. Then assuming we have our zombie ID and kitty ID, we want to attack ID1, kitty ID1 to get the crypto kitty image. We need to query their web API. These images, this information isn't stored on the blockchain, just their web server. If everything was stored in a blockchain, we wouldn't have to worry about the server going down, then them changing their API, or the company blocking us from loading their assets if they don't like our zombie game. Okay, so these are the images fetched from their server. Then when I click on kitty, here it is. It called feed on kitty. So it's called the function, and zombie ID and kitty ID is transferred into it. Listen for a zombie event for end contract, so we can display the new zombie event will be called, will return the data, and we got these things: zombie ID, result name, and result DNA. So give it a try. Select the kitty you want to feed on. Your zombie DNA and the kitty's DNA will combine, and you get the new zombie in your army. Notice those cute legs on your zombie. Let's see. Here it is. That's our final 99 digits of DNA at work. You can start over and try again if you want. When you get a kitty zombie you are happy with, you only get to keep one. Go ahead and proceed to the next chapter to complete lesson 2. Okay, sorry. So we have just see the code. Right now we are not writing it in the front end, but we get the idea how we can connect it with the front end. So in the later chapter or later sections, we will see the connect of smart contract with the front end application. So that's some theory, and you can play around with it and create a new combinations. Here it is, new cat zombie DNA. You can see that 99 is last 2 characters. So here it is. So we have completed the chapter 14 also. Now move on to the final chapter of this lesson. Let's see what it offers.